Huawei Mate XT, redefining the smartphone. Today, we are stepping into the future not just in technology, but in the way we interact with our devices. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate design isn't just a phone. It's a transformation device, a phone, a tablet, a productivity tool, a statement. TRI Fold innovation. A world first, tri-fold design, folds twice to go from smartphone mini tablet full tablet. This is the first mass-produced tri-fold smartphone ever. A bold leap from dual-fold models like the Mate X's to or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. 3 modes, folded smartphone -6.4 inches screen, fits in pocket, works like a normal phone. Half-fold tablet light -7.9 inches screen, great for reading, browsing, messaging. Fully unfolded, huge 10-point display, ideal for movies, multitasking, sketching. Imagine switching from taking a call to editing a presentation, to watching Netflix all without switching devices. Design and build quality. Dimensions and feel thickness, just 3.6 millimeters when fully unfolded. Aerospace-grade fiber and ultra-thin leather back equals lightweight yet premium. Reinforced hinges rated for over 300,000 folds, that's approximately 8 years of daily use. Aesthetics, available in luxury finish, black, gold, emerald green. Slim bezels for immersive visuals, matte frame reduces fingerprints. Display excellence. Old brilliance, old LTPO display with dynamic 120Hz refresh rate. Adaptive brightness and contrast for outdoor visibility. 10.2-inch unfolded size, 2K+ resolution for vibrant clarity. Content delight, ideal for movies, games, reading e-books. Split screen and multi-window features enhanced with larger canvas. Great for professionals' presentations, documents, and creatives drawing, video editing. Performance and hardware. Powerhouse specs, Kirin 9010 chipset, built on 7nm plus architecture, developed in-house. 16GB RAM standard, storage, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. The Kirin 9010 may not be benchmark king, but it's hyper-optimized for HARMONYOS and AI multitasking. Battery life, 5600 mAh battery. 66 West wired fast charging, 100% in approximately 45 minutes. 50 West wireless charging plus 5 West reverse wireless charging. Camera system. Triple lens setup. Main camera, 50MP with adjustable aperture f1.2 f4.0. Ultra-wide, 12MP sensor for landscapes, groups, interiors. Periscope telephoto -12MP with 5x optical, up to 50x digital zoom. Features AI enhanced super night mode for K video at 60 fps. Front camera housed discreetly in bezel, ideal for video calls in any mode. Bonus: AI scene optimization, multi-angle preview in half unfold mode for photography enthusiasts. HARMONYOS 4.2. Huawei's OS revolution, HARMONYOS offers a fluid, unified experience across devices. Drag and drop files between devices, answer calls on laptop, use tablet as secondary screen. App gallery, access to most top global and Chinese apps. Petal search plus quick app for Google app alternatives. Market position and availability. Where it's available. Initially launched in China, now sold in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, select parts of Europe. Pricing: premium, starts at €3,499 to $3,700 USD. Positioned above the Galaxy Z Fold 5, below some luxury foldables like the V2. Who is IT for? Ideal user profiles, business users. Multitask, edit docs, travel light. Creatives, photo, video editors, illustrators. Luxury tech lovers, cutting-edge innovation, exclusivity. Media consumers, binge watchers, gamers. Challenges and trade-offs. No Google mobile services. Some apps require workarounds. high price point, heavier and larger when folded than standard phones. You're not buying this to replace your phone, you're buying this to evolve beyond it. Final thoughts and closing. The Huawei Mate X-T isn't just an experiment in folding, it's a flagship, a luxury device, and a vision of what's next. It proves Huawei's ability to innovate despite global constraints. A new benchmark for how far foldables can go literally and metaphorically. For those who want the ultimate tech experience, Huawei delivers a unique offering that merges phone, tablet, and workstation into one sleek package. As we wrap up today's deep dive into the Huawei Mate X-T, let's zoom out for a moment, not just to look at a device, but at a statement, a vision. A leap forward in form factor innovation, the Huawei Mate X-T isn't just a phone, it's the beginning of a new category. Tri-fold technology marks a radical shift in how we think about mobile computing. Huawei has gone beyond the gimmick. This isn't a foldable for folding's sake, it's a real productivity. It's not about a screen that bends, it's about technology that adapts to you. Versatility is king. One device, 3 use cases. Smartphone on the go, mini tablet for multitasking. Full tablet for creative or immersive tasks. This versatility is unmatched in the market right now. Think about this. In the space of a minute, the Mate X-T can transform from your note-taker into your sketchbook, and then your Netflix cinema. It's the chameleon of smart devices. Bold, but not without compromise. Let's be honest, it's not perfect. No Google services can be a roadblock for some ... The price point puts it in luxury tech territory. Slightly heavier and bulkier in folded mode. But here's the perspective: every great innovation comes with a first generation of bold decisions. Huawei took that leap and the result is extraordinary. The future is flexible. The Mate X-T is a flag bearer for a new era. It challenges competitors to rethink how far they can push the mobile form factor. It pushes software, hardware, and user experience into unexplored territory. Today, we have folding tech. Tomorrow, we might see wearable displays, AR reactive screens, or seamless transitions between physical and virtual experiences. The Huawei Mate X-T is more than a phone, it's an invitation to imagine. Imagine a device that evolves with you, that bends not the rules but your expectations. And while it's not for everyone, it's definitely for those who want more. More screen, more car, more possibilities. So here's to the innovators, the creators, and the early adopters. This one's for you. Today, we are stepping into the future, not just in technology, but in the way we interact with our devices. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate design isn't just a phone. It's a transformation device, a phone, a tablet, a productivity tool, a statement.